In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Miro, the visual workspace designed for innovation and collaboration. Miro is a great tool if you're working in a team environment and need a dynamic, digital canvas to brainstorm and organize ideas. So let's dive right in and explore the features, ensuring you can make the most out of it. To begin, open your web browser and go to Miro's login page. You can find it by simply searching online for Miro or by entering the URL directly. Once there, you'll notice an option to continue with email. Clicking this will allow you to log in with your credentials or create a new account if you're not already signed up. After successfully logging into Miro, you're directed to your dashboard where your existing boards are located. Here, select any existing board that you wish to work on. If you're new, you might want to create a new board, but for today's guide, we're jumping into one that's already set up. Once you're on your chosen board, you'll see a variety of tools on the toolbar. One of the most commonly used features is the sticky note, which is really useful for jotting down quick ideas or reminders. You can find this by clicking the sticky note icon, or for a faster trick, just press the N key on your keyboard. This hotkey is handy when you're in the midst of a brainstorming rush. Next, let's add a sticky note to the board. Click on your desired location on the board to place the sticky note. You can type directly into it, capturing your thoughts or team inputs right away. If the size doesn't fit the amount of text, or if you want to make certain notes stand out, you can easily resize the sticky note. Simply click on the edges and drag them to your preferred size. Customizing the size can help in organizing your board visually by grouping related notes together. Now let's move to the creative aspect. You can change the color of your sticky notes by clicking on the Fill Color option. This can be beneficial for categorizing information or simply making your board more visually appealing. You can opt for colors that align with your project's visual themes, or just pick some that you find more visually pleasant. Text formatting is another great feature. Once you have your text written, you'll see options to make it bold, italic, or underlined, located in the text toolbar. Employing these can help in emphasizing key ideas or differentiating between varying importance levels of information. While you're at it, try changing the font style to match your presentation style or whatever suits your team's preference. Just explore the font style options until you find a look you like. Moreover, if highlighting is what you need, there's a dedicated highlight button to instantly draw attention to important text. And there you have it, an essential guide to help you start with Miro. By mastering these features, you can ensure that your collaborative projects are not only organized, but also visually comprehensible. Enjoy exploring and creating with Miro.